How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. Welcome back for another video. Apple just released the iOS 15 on all the supported devices a few days ago. So if you have an iPhone SE first generation, iPhone 6s, 7, 8 and so on, check for software updates. Very surprised for this update, and I believe some of you are surprised as well. iOS 15 on our older devices, this is very good in my opinion, and we thanks to Apple for doing that, especially for older devices such as iPhone SE and iPhone 6s. So this iPhone SE first generation was working completely fine for the past couple of days after I updated the software. So let me know in the comments down below, do you have any issues with the SE first generation? How is the battery? The battery of this iPhone SE first generation is pretty bad because as you can see, I got 8% battery life, and the battery doesn't keep me. I don't know. I'm gonna do a couple of battery tests. Let me know in the comments down below if you wanna see that on an iPhone SE first generation, iPhone 6s, 7, 8. Let me know in the comments down below if you're interested to do that for you. And this is just a quick video about the iPhone SE first generation. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have any issues with the iOS 15 on older devices? Currently, I believe the iOS should be uh, great, no bugs whatsoever, no problems, everything works smooth and nice, um, no complaints so far. If I got any issues, I will let you know immediately, but so far the iPhone SE first generation is working completely fine, no complaints whatsoever. But let me know in the comments down below, do you have any issues, do you have any problems? I'm curious to see your questions in the comments down below. But yeah, iPhone SE first generation, iOS 15. This iPhone is being released in 2016 and still works completely fine. You can do pretty much everything that you need on this iPhone. All the apps work completely fine, up to date, and that's why I'm very happy about this software update, because iOS 15 brings a ton of new cool features. My favorite feature is the weather widget. This is a great app in my opinion. So if you change the location, changes in the real time, what is the weather like in New York, as you can see, Dubai. So it's gonna give you the real time, what is like if it's raining, if it's snowing, and so on. And you get all the information about the weather. You have the sunset, you have, the wind, the speed. As you can see here, that's great. So you don't need to buy app from the Play Store for the weather. This is a great app. Also, we have a focus mode as well, which is pretty interesting. So you can uh, tweak this to your preferred way. So if it work, if you're not allowed to use your social media apps and messaging apps, and so you can limit that in the work, personal. So basically this is the do not disturb mode, but it's on a much better update. I think this is more professional way. No disturb way just was do not disturb and that's it, but you have here different options. You can find this do not disturb mode in settings, in the focus. If you go to general, as you can see here. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, do you have any questions about the iPhone SE? This iPhone works completely fine and I still love it. I like this 4-inch compact design, very preferred for many people even now in 2021. And the only issue with this phone is only the battery. This is the only issue. If the battery is at least 2000 milliamp hour, this phone will be great. But It is what it is. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. This was Stefan with SYG Tech and iPhone SE first generation on an iOS 15. I'll keep you up to date about the older iPhones, so make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notifications if you want to know more about the iPhone 6s, 7, 8 and so on. As always, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.